How to promote affiliate links with Pinterest. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, the topic is how you can promote your affiliate links using Pinterest. So let's get into the video. So as you all know that Pinterest is this great platform where you can find different kind of idea pins, where you can basically get information and ideas about any genre of any niche that you can possibly imagine. So how you can use it to promote your affiliate links? It's very easy. As you all know that affiliate marketing is very common these days, and you can make a lot of cash by it if you promote the links properly. So first of all, the step should be what kind of links you should promote on your Pinterest. So for that purpose, what I would recommend is going with something that you already have knowledge about, because that will make you able to promote the links in more correctly and more genuinely. And in on the Pinterest, when it seems more genuine, there are many chances that a person would buy it. There are two ways that you can promote the links on your Pinterest. Here you can see that, okay, this is a simple Mehndi design, and let's open this pin, and here you can see that this is a simple picture that this person has posted. Now if this person wants to affiliate a link, they are going to add that link into the description of this picture. If they do that, anyone who opens this picture, they might be able to go on and check this link out, whichever has been posted. But this doesn't look very professional, because any person who basically opens the picture or opens the video, they're going to know that you have just posted this video because you want to make money off the affiliate marketing. For that sense, it doesn't look very genuine, and there are very less chances that person will buy that product from you. So how you can make it look more genuine, and how you can basically not disclose your affiliate marketing on Pinterest? Well, there's another way that I'm going to show you today. So for that purpose, first of all, you need to find a possibly a good link that you want to promote. So I'm going on to the fitness and health kind of a niche today, and I'm going to promote. You can see that these are keto desserts, high converting keto desserts. I'm just going to promote this dessert book right now. So I'm just going on to my Digistore 24. This is the thing that I'm using right now. Okay, so Digistore 24 is the platform that I'm using to get my affiliate link today. You can also use CPA Grip, or you can use Dr. Cash. That's completely up to you. Digistore is also a very great platform. You can simply sign up by adding in your email, and by creating a password. The sign up is completely free. So after that, here you can see that I have got this link, which is keto desserts, high converting keto dessert offer. So I'm just going to click on this promote now option, and it is going to give me the link. Okay, so I have copied my link, and now I have moved on to tiny URL to basically shrink my link a little bit so that it looks good. So here you can see that I've added the link that I want to shorten, and I've asked a tiny URL to generate that link, and this is the link that is being shrunken up and shortened. So I'm just going to copy that, and now I'm going to go on and start promoting this link. So how you can promote it on Pinterest? So other than directly posting the link on the description of a picture or the video, what you can do is you can create a blog's website on Google Sites or Wix or any website builder that you want. What you can do is you can create a blog website, and you can add your affiliate links into your blogs, and after that you can copy the link of your website and paste it onto the Pinterest description of the videos, or in the Pinterest description of any picture. So this is going to make your product look more authentic, because there will be a website related to it. Then there are more chances that it will reach more audience, and when it will reach more audience, there are more chances that it will be bought, and then you will get the money. So how you can make a website? It's very easy. This is a portfolio website that I have already created. This is a restaurant website. So let's say this is related to a restaurant, and this is a blog website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new blog right here. Okay, so here you can see that I have added a page of blogs, and now I'm going to create a sub page by clicking on this option which says add sub page, and I'm going to name that sub page as keto desserts. So this is the link that I'm going to promote today, so that's why I'm going to make a blog that is related to keto dessert. So I'm just going to click on done. Okay, so my page has been added. Now I want to create some kind of content for my blog, obviously. So for that purpose, I'm going to use ChatGPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a blog on keto dessert recipes. So you can see that I have asked ChatGPT to make some recipes for keto desserts, and the blog has been the ChatGPT is writing the content, and here you can see that creamy coconut chia pudding, and it has been writing the instructions and the ingredients as well. So I'm going to wait until it is finished, and then I'm going to copy this all the content and paste it into my blog. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste my link in between. So I'm just going to wait for a couple of seconds until it's done. So let's say that this is okay, it's on conclusion. So here you can see that this is almost done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this content which contains some kind of recipes and the title as well. Copy, and I'm going to go on to my sites, and I'm going to add text blocks like this, and I'm going to paste my all of the content like this. So you can see that I've got everything. Now what I'm going to do is I have this link that I have just created. I'm going to copy the link, and now I'm going to paste this link after every recipe. Here you can see that this is the instructions. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my link, and I'm going to write a line that says, if you want to know more, please click on this link, or please open this link. Okay, so here you can see that I have added my, if you want to get a complete guide, open this link, and I've added my URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this after every instructions and after every recipe. Like here you can see that I'm going to paste it as a text, and then I'm going to do this at the end as well. So there are 3 times that I have added my affiliate link into my blog. So what I'm going to do is after getting on with this, I'm going to copy this link of the Google sites, and I'm going to click on copy, and I'm going to paste it into the Pinterest. So for the creation of the Pinterest video, here you can see that in the pin, I'm going to click on this create, click on create pin. You're going to get open a page which is going to allow you to create a pin. So for that purpose, you have to upload a picture or a video, and then you have to add a title and a description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going on to Canva to create a Pinterest pin for myself that I can upload on Pinterest. So for that purpose, what you need to do is go on to Canva, go on to the search bar, click on Pinterest, enter Pinterest, or click on Pinterest if the option is already available. Pinterest video pins, click on those just Pinterest pins. Okay, so here you can see that I have got a lot of templates that I can use. So I'm just going to choose one that is related to health in a little bit of way. So I'm just going to scroll down and find the perfect pin a template for myself. And what you can do is you can also ask Pinterest to give you pins ideas or templates that are related to health. So here you can see that I'm going to scroll down a little bit more. Okay, so here you can see that this is a baking journey kind of template, and it has all of these desserts made on it. So I'm going to go with this template because we are talking about desserts, so it is like the complete fix for my kind of Pinterest pin. So I'm just going to customize this template. Okay, so now what you want to do is you just want to edit this heading. I'm going to write in keto friendly. Just going to shorten it a little bit, expand it so that it fits keto friendly. Here I'm going to write dessert recipes. Okay, so this is how it looks like, keto friendly dessert recipes. So it looks perfectly good, it looks completely fine. So what you're gonna do is you are just going to add in right here, you're going to say open the link in the description, or you can attach the link here as well, but it will open the link in the description. And I'm going to expand it a little bit so that it's more visible, just like that. Open the link in the description. I'm going to align it like this. Okay, so this is good to go. So I've got my Pinterest pin. I'm going to click on share, click on download it as a PNG, but JPG is the most suggested format for you to download any kind of picture. So I'm just going to go into JPG, click on download, and while it's downloaded, what you can do is you can go onto the Pinterest. Okay, so the pin has been downloaded. Now I'm going onto the Pinterest, and I'm going to upload the pin right here. Okay, so here you can see that my pin has been downloaded, and it looks completely fine, it looks good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the title here, keto friendly dessert recipes, keto dessert recipes, or something that you want to add it as a title. I'm just going to add it as keto friendly recipes. So you can ask ChatGPT to generate the whole description for you. The description should be good, it should be promising, and in the destination link you can add the link of your own blog that you have just created on Google Sites. So after that, just click on create and click on submit, and your pin will be public, and you can click on the save, and your pin will be public and people can see it. And if anyone is interested, they will click on the link to open the blog, and when they go to the blog, they're going to see your link to the product that you are basically promoting as an affiliate. So this is how you can affiliate the product without disclosing you are affiliating or promoting the product for cash, and by making it look more genuine. So this was it for today's guide, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.